Step into the 2016 Audi Q5. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 230 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Audi prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by power front seats, heated front and rear seats, a headlight cleaning system, power moonroof, a power liftgate, remote keyless entry, and a split folding rear seat. With side curtain airbags supplementing the rest of the safety network, you can be assured that you and your passengers will experience top-tier protection. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Audi's comprehensive certification process, including a comprehensive 300+ point inspection. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Call now to schedule a test drive.